In this video, how to fix bootable USB not showing in boot menu on Lenovo laptops. Even though the USB boot is enabled on the BIOS setup. The root of the problem is that the USB partition style is MBR. This usually happens if you create the bootable USB using the Windows Media Creation tool. You can check it using the Disk Management tool. To fix it, you need to create a new bootable USB using Rufus. Make sure the partition scheme is configured to GPT instead of MBR. Once done, plug the USB drive into the computer and try again. As you can see, the USB drive is now available in the boot menu. You can then proceed to install Windows normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.